So I've just got a quick demo today, so I will go ahead and share my screen to give some context on what's going on here. So historically, our search APIs have been using a from and count system. So basically, whenever you're searching a page, it would start at a certain number and then go to a number. There are quite a few problems with this on the Elasticsearch side, one of which prevents you from searching anything past 10,000 search results. That's as a memory constraint on the Elasticsearch side. There's some technical details there, but essentially it's extremely inefficient to use that type of query on Elasticsearch. So what we have done here is implemented the search after. So this is a scrolling type search. So basically you send in a search for a certain number of, so you're still searching for a count. So you get a page, and then what happens is you get this scroll ID. So what that scroll ID is a pointer to where you are in your current search results. So let's just kind of show what that's about. So basically, right. So I didn't get a scroll ID here because I searched for a query that has less than 10 results. So that shows off one behavior that I was going to show off in this demo, but a little bit later, but I'll go ahead and explain it now. So basically, whenever you query something and you query beyond that current count, you're going to get null back in this next scroll ID. That signals to you that you no longer need to continue scrolling. That's just the API detail there. So you would keep issuing these queries as long as you want to keep searching through entities, and as long as you keep on getting scroll IDs back, you can continue scrolling. But let's change this query to something that's going to give me back a lot more results. Right. So here you can see that I got the scroll ID back. And the first result here we see is a chart. So if I take this scroll ID, and just pop it in here, and reissue that same search, this first search result is now a different result, right? And you can keep doing this, just taking this and going, and it will continue giving you the next page of results. And so under the hood, this is using the search after API of Elasticsearch, which, if you're familiar with, does not have the limitation that you can not go past 10,000 results. And it should be a lot more efficient on like deep pagination. So we're excited to have that. And just really quick, this has also been implemented on the Lineage side. Lineage uses the search across entities under the hood. So it was just another endpoint, this scroll across lineage endpoint. And execute that. So this is the lineage for a particular data set. But yeah, that's pretty much all I had there. Any questions? Let me know.
Yeah, if there are questions, let's throw them in chat or in Slack. Thank you so much, Ryan, and the platform team for working on this. This is a really this is a I don't know, great signal to me that we needed to do this work, because it means that folks are adopting Data Hub at such scale that we need to address these issues, right? So super excited to have this coming out. It should help with both, like just the general search environment, but also, or the search experience, but also the search across lineage, where there's a ton of complexity within that graph. So thank you so much to Ryan and the Acryl platform team. Appreciate you guys.